Level 5 task, extend your drum rhythm to 4 bars, making use of syncopation and drum fills. If you did the level 4 task correctly, you should have syncopation already. So there's 2 bars of syncopation. So what I'm going to do is, there's 2 ways you can do this. I could record some more and add a drum fill in the end of the 4th bar, or I can copy and paste this one, Control C, move the playhead, Control V, and then I could manually add in some extra notes here. Okay, again, use pencil tool, boom, tap, 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 and I could do that, okay, if I don't want to just record. So there you have a 4 bar beat with 4 bar drums with a drum fill. Okay, and just quickly, another thing you might want to do is add some hi-hats. So you make another track, you choose another drum track, it could be any drum track really. Yeah, why not? And then I'm just going to record 1 bar of hi-hats. Call it hi-hats or hats. I'm going to use that O or the I. And hit record. There we go, double click, highlight, MIDI editor, double click or press MIDI editor. No, I don't want to do that. Highlight all notes, quantize. Cool, and then I can just loop it. So you click on that loop button there, and I can loop my hi-hats. So you've got 4 bars with a drum fill, and I've also added some hi-hats.